Jate ho mami de sogene. Mi de sogene. Uyaga mi de sogene.
The Urhobo vowels. And there are 7 Urhobo vowel sounds and letters actually. Unlike the English language, the Urhobo is a tone language. So each sound you can hear pronounced is represented the same way in the letters. So these are the letters that represents the 7 sounds in vowel sounds in Urhobo. Oeso swakona a e. You are shaking my table, Kere. E I O O U. Omlela ona a e no I O U. Can I say it, Annie? E I O U. Now we can say this is A for abaka. A for abaka. Say it. Abaka. 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 Do you know what abaka means in English in Urhobo?
No.
Abaka is grasshopper.
Abaka grasshopper.
Eli. Eli. Do you know what Eli is? Fish. Ebe. 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 Ebe is book or leaf.
Okay.
Abaka. 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 Say it.
Abaka.
Eli. Ebe. Hope you're concentrating. Then Ilosu. Ilosu. Do you know what Ilosu is? Ilosu is rice. Oda. Oda. Do you know what Oda is? Oda is cutlass. One. One. Do you know what one is?
Rice.
One. I told you Ilosu is rice. How will one still be rice?
Back.
U and one is yam.
Yam.
Uko. Uko is cup. Uko is cup. But if you pronounce it as uko, it means back. Uko, cup. Uko, back.
Uko, cup. Uko, back.
Exactly.
Uko,
Cup.
cup.
Uko,
Back.
See, tuko, shift backwards. All right. In our next class, we'll learn some more how to add several of these vowel sounds to consonants to make some good words in Urhobo language.
Jate ho mami de sogene. Mi de sogene. Uyaga mi de sogene. Mi de sogene.